Hey everyone, website speed impacts both user experience and SEO. At xCloud, you can quickly check your site's performance and spot areas to improve. Let's get started. From your site dashboard, go to the sidebar and click on Page Speed under the Site Monitoring menu. Once you're in the Page Speed dashboard, click on the Analyze button to start the analysis. At the top, you'll find your site performance graph showing metrics for performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO. If you want to see instant performance results, just click on the Analyze Now button. You can view your site's performance graph for both mobile and desktop devices. Next, go to the Page Speed History section, where you can see performance results by date, highlighted with color indicators. Click on the View Details button to explore the results in depth. On the Details page, you'll see scores for performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO. There are also important core web vital scores like LCP, CLS, TBT, FCP, SI, and TTI. Finally, navigate to the Insights section to view detailed information about your site's issues. Expand each issue to see more details and learn how to resolve them. And that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy hosting!